Hi, welcome. My name is Crow and welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums and to this little short video. It's a sound demonstration video. It's to accompany my Etsy listing. It's for this beautiful little 14-inch buffalo skin drum. It's buffalo on ash. Sorry, a little memory lapse there. Yeah, so it's an ashwood frame. It's 14 inches. It's got a beautiful buffalo skin. It's actually quite a thick buffalo skin for a small drum, which will give it a more thicker, more substantial sort of sound. Got a branch handle. If I turn it over, you can see we've got a lovely branch handle. It's laced with artificial sinew. I've burned information onto the inside of the frame for you. It's my maker's mark. That's not for you really, but it's so that you know where you got it from. I put buffalo and ash. That's obviously the animal and the tree. I put the date when the drum was birthed and the location. So it's birthed on the 8th of November 2024 in Knighton, Powys, UK. That's for those of you interested in the astrology of the drum. And I put the star sign in there for Scorpio. So let's have a play. I'm going to play with a firm beater and a softer beater. Both give a slightly different sound, and either are available to purchase alongside the drum if you choose to. This is the firm beater. I'm going to start with that one, and I've got the soft one down there behind me, so we'll swap over in a minute. Let's have a play. Beautiful. Okay, I'm going to swap over. Here's the softer beater. Gorgeous. Okay, well, I hope this little video has helped you to give you a more fuller understanding and a demonstration of what this drum sounds like. It's difficult making these decisions based on photographs, etc. So it's nice to have these little videos. I'm Crow. It's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.